I desperately needed to replace my dish soap and hand soap bottles in the kitchen. When I saw this, I was like, yes. Okay, it comes with stickers. It has 6 of them, and you can decide which color you want. There is 3 of each color: hand soap, dish soap, lotion. This is the stone dish for the brush, which is so cute. I use this to actually clean my kitchen sink. These are for the bottoms of the bottles so that it doesn't slip. You got 2 of them, and this is how it looks. Isn't that so cool? Time to fill the bottles. It comes with this so that it can easily pour into it without spilling all over the place. I use Dawn dish soap. What do you use? Anyways, it was so super easy, and I love how it looks like in my kitchen. Just look at this. So nice. It matches my black sink, and the pump looks so beautiful and elegant. And that black sticker though, yes girl. So I've had this for a while. Okay, you can see that it's been used. But anyways, I highly recommend this so much.